Here we have an equation, and it doesn't look like it's in that standard form to graph the circle. However, you'll notice we have an x squared here and a y squared, and they are being added, and that's kind of what happens in the standard equation of a circle. So let's see what we can do here. We want to write this in that standard form, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And we can see here we've got perfect squares. So we'd like to do that with these. We've got some x terms and some y terms. We're going to go ahead and complete the square for these expressions. First, for the x's, we will pull the 3 out. And we're left with x squared minus 2x. And for the y's, we'll also have to pull the 3 out. So 3 times y squared plus 4/3 y. And then let's go ahead and add 4 over to the other side. Now, to complete the square here, we need to take that number in front of x and cut it in half. So we've got x minus 1 squared. And I'm gonna add the extra term on the other side. Okay, we've got that extra term is 1 squared times 3, which is just 3. So I'm just going to add an extra 3 to the right side because there's an extra 3 on the left side. And then I've got plus 3. And then here we have y plus half of this number, 4/3, is 2/3. So 2/3 squared. And then again, that, if I square that, that's 4 over 9 times 3, which is 4 over 3. And I'm going to go ahead and add that to the other side as well to balance that out. Normally when we complete the square, we would subtract those extra terms off over here, but we're going to need it on the other side anyway. So I've gone ahead and added that over. Okay, now the final thing is, first of all, let's go ahead and simplify this. We've got 7 plus 4/3, so that's 21/3 plus 4/3, which is 25/3. But then we're going to divide everything by 3 because we don't want numbers in front of these, the x and y terms here. So if we divide everything by 3, then over here on the right side, it's actually going to be 25 over 9. Okay. And then on the left side, we've got the x minus 1 squared plus the y plus 2/3 squared. So now we've got this in our standard form. We can find the center. The center here is, well, we've got 1 and negative 2/3. And our radius is, well, over here, it's the square root of this number. So that's 5/3.